This is Handcraft Blends Essential Oil, and it measures 4 ounces, and this is in lemongrass flavor. However, they have lots of different flavors to choose from as well. And lemongrass smells really good. And did you know that it's also mosquito repellent too? And you can use this in a diffuser, just like we do, but you can also dilute it with some oil and use it as massage oil. And this is just great to use all the time. You can even put this on your body and use it as a facial oil too. This is also in an amber bottle, so it's going to reduce the UV rays as well as sunlight too, so it's not going to break it down. And it also is sulfate free as well as paraben free too, and it's also not tested on animals. So they also give you this dropper as well, and let me show you how it works. I'm going to use this with our diffuser, and it just is going to make the whole room smell fantastic. I just love this fresh smell of lemongrass. So we're going to use this dropper so we get the exact measurement. And we're going to put about 3 to 5 drops inside it. And then I'm going to put it back on and close it up. You can either have the dropper in there or you can use the cap as well. It's up to you. And let's turn it on so you can see, and I wish you could smell it because it's gonna smell fantastic. I already smell the aroma just inside the diffuser, but once I turn it on, it is just gonna make this whole room smell fantastic. I absolutely love it, and I think you're gonna love it too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.